Okay, in this video I would like to look at getting a random value from the array. All right, let's say I want to get a random color. And to do that, really what I want to do is, right, the way I look up these colors is by this position, this index. And my valid positions are 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. So to get a random element, I just need to generate a random number, random integer, between 0 and 4. Now, if only I had a nice way to get a random integer. Oh wait, we did a random library. And I have that open right here, my random library. Okay, where we had a random decimal and a random integer. So that allows me to specify a low and a high. Remember, high is exclusive. Right? So if I wanted a number between 0 and 4, I would actually go 0, 5, because it would go up to 5. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, I was trying to, I think the easiest way is I'm just going to copy everything inside of here. Copy. I'm going to go here and create a new thing called random library.js and paste. And now we have access to that random int function. Wonderful, and I probably should organize this with a folder, JS. I'm getting some multiple files in here now. Put that in there, good. And then we got to fix this up. I should make this a little bigger, make it easier for you guys to see, sorry. So this now has to go JS slash, I'm just going to copy and paste. And we want to first load our random library.js. Okay. Oh, and now these are deleted because I moved them. All right. Main.js, there we go. So now what I want to do here is simply say, instead of 4, I want a random integer between 0 and 4. So I'm just going to go replace the index there with random int 0, 5. Right? So 0 is inclusive, 5 is exclusive. This should give me a random integer between 0 and 4. And then that random integer, right, will be used to look up inside of my colors array, which will then set the background. Cool, let's see if this works. Okay, there's red. I should really do, you know what I should do is get like a event listener or something. Click events, we'll just go document.add event listener, click, and I'll say update. Function update, and that function update will do this. Cut and paste. And why did it do this crazy formatting thing? I don't know if I like that. I'm gonna try to put it back. Save. No, it just wants to do that. Okay, there's a default formatter that this thing uses, and I guess that formatter likes me to do that. Anyway, now I should be able to click on this, and every time I click, it'll get a random color. Sometimes it picks the same number, because that happens sometimes. Okay, cool. Now, we've got a problem though. I think we were getting each color. We've seen orange, we've seen green, we've seen cyan, there's green again. Give me blue, there's red. I still need to see, there's blue. Okay, so it's giving me all the colors. Let's add a purple. And now when I add purple to my list, I'm going to click away, and I think I am never going to see purple. And the reason for that is because the position of purple is position 5, but this random int 0, 5 will never get that number 5. It'll be 0 to 4, so I need to change this to 6. Now this is going to be annoying because what if I don't know how long this array is going to be, right? Maybe it's I load it from a file or I get it from user input. So what we can do is we can access the length of an array. So I'm just going to do this for a second, console.log colors, and all you have to do is go dot length. It's just a property of the array, colors.length. We'll save that and go here, and in our console we should see 6. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is brilliant because the length of the array is 6, which means that the index values go from 0 to 5. So this 6 right here can just simply go be colors dot length. Because the length, the last element is always length minus 1. So since this is exclusive, it'll always go up to length minus 1. And now we should be able to get purple. Come on, purple. Hey, there it is. Okay, and now if I were to delete, right, delete some or add some, it should still work because length will now be 3, so it's going to go 0, 3, so it'll generate 0, 1, or 2. And that allows me to now generate random colors. It's much less random when there's only 3. We'll go back to where it was before. There we go. Okay, anyway, that's where I'm going to stop for this video. We learned how to randomly access an element, and really it wasn't anything new about arrays, just realizing that to get the position we need a random integer for a random position. And then that length property is useful, so that when you change the size of your array, this code will still work. Okay, hope that made sense. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.